shocking Venus discovery. The planet could have erupting volcanoes, which would make it a great place to visit, because of course they want to discover what's going on. Now, according to British astronomer Cox, he says that Venus once had similar temperatures to what Earth has as a beautiful spring day. This by Sebastian Kedley on Express UK. Venus could be the second most exciting place to visit in our solar system after our planet Earth. This is thanks to a recent discovery that the planet Venus could still be volcanically active. Venus and Mars are the two closest planets to our Earth, and they've been the target of many unmanned probe launches since the 1960s. Mars is considered by many to be a good candidate for future manned missions and, of course, colonization on that planet. But newfound interest in visiting Venus could be on the table because of the new evidence of active volcanoes on the planet's surface. Research was led by University Space Research Association USRA, and they found signs of fresh lava flows on the second planet from the Sun, Venus. It was a stunning discovery published in the journal Science Advances, and they suggest and they believe that Venus and Earth are the only two volcanically active worlds in our solar system. Well, we know that the Moon has earthquakes, it's shrinking, and we know that Mars also has earthquakes and is moving. Now, concerning Venus, if this discovery is confirmed that it's got active volcanoes, then scientists believe Venus will be a great place for future missions to visit. The lead author is Dr. Justin Filiberto. He said if Venus is indeed active today, it would make a great place to visit to better understand the interiors of planets. For example, we could study how planets cool and why the Earth and Venus have active volcanism, but Mars does not. Future missions should be able to see these flows and changes in the surface and provide concrete evidence of its activity. The first ever unmanned probe to reach our neighboring planet was American Mariner 2 back in 1962. The spacecraft became the first space probe to reach an alien world, and the probe was designed to take simple temperatures and atmospheric measurements. And since Mariner 2, NASA studied Venus in great detail when Magellan spacecraft, known as the Venus Radar Mapper, took images. U.S. Space Agency NASA discovered a scorching hellscape of lava flows on the planet's surface. And then in 2000s, the European Space Agency ESA Venus Express Orbiter uncovered more clues about what's going on the surface of Venus concerning volcanism. But now scientists have been unable to determine how old this lava flow is. Dr. Filiberto and his team of researchers carefully recreated conditions of Venus' atmosphere in a laboratory to show how certain minerals change over time. And his study found one mineral in particular, olivine, rapidly reacts to the planet's atmosphere. Olivine is a mineral readily found in basalt or volcanic rock, and it covers itself with magnetite and hematite when exposed to Venus' atmosphere. So based on data collected by ESA's Venus Express, Dr. Filiberto's team determined the mineral changes observed on Venus would only take a few years to complete. So the discovery led scientists to speculate recent volcanic explosions did go off on the planet. They were new in other facts. Now, some quick facts about Venus. It's the second planet from the Sun and one of the brightest objects in the night skies above our Earth. The planet orbits the Sun from an average distance of about 67 million miles, or 108 million kilometers. Just 1 year on Venus is equal to 225 Earth days, and compared to Earth, Venus is only 1.1 times smaller than our home planet, so it's just about the same size. Despite being slightly smaller, the scientists say that Venus's gravity is a little bit stronger than Earth's because of the planet being denser. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.